There's something happening in therapy rooms, community centers, hospitals, and schools around the world that's quietly changing lives. It doesn't involve lying on a couch talking about your childhood. It doesn't require medication or years of analysis. It's something much simpler and yet profoundly powerful. People are dancing their way to better mental health. Welcome to the world of dance movement therapy, where ancient wisdom meets modern science and where moving your body becomes a path to healing your mind and soul. For years, dance movement therapy was seen as alternative or fringe, something nice but not really serious medicine. But that's changing fast. Recent research is proving what dancers and movement practitioners have known intuitively for centuries. Moving your body in intentional, expressive ways has real, measurable effects on your mental health. A comprehensive analysis of 41 controlled studies involving over 2,300 participants found that dance movement therapy produces medium to large positive effects on mental health. We're talking about real improvements in depression, anxiety, quality of life, social skills, and cognitive function. These aren't just people feeling a bit better. The changes show up in brain chemistry, stress hormones, and long-term follow-up assessments. One particularly fascinating study looked at teenage girls with mild depression who participated in dance movement therapy. After the sessions, researchers measured their blood and found actual changes in their brain chemistry, increased serotonin, the feel-good chemical, and decreased dopamine dysregulation. The therapy literally changed what was happening in their brains. Another major study in Finland followed 109 people with depression. Half received their standard treatment, while the other half added dance movement therapy sessions to their care. The group that danced showed significantly greater reductions in depression and physical and psychological distress. Even 3 months after the therapy ended, they were still doing better. This is the power of movement. It's not just in your head, it's in your whole body. Here's where it gets really interesting. For a long time, Western medicine has treated the mind and body as separate things. You go to a facilitator for your mental health and a doctor for your physical health. But this separation is artificial. Your mind and body aren't separate, they're completely intertwined. When you experience an emotion, it's not just in your brain, it's in your whole body. Fear makes your heart race and your muscles tense. Joy makes you feel light and energized. Sadness makes your chest feel heavy and your movements slow. Anger heats you up and makes you want to strike out. These aren't just metaphors, they're real physiological responses. Your emotions create physical sensations, and your physical state influences your emotions. It's a two-way street. Dance movement therapy works with this mind-body connection. When you move your body in ways that express or release emotion, you're not just acting out feelings, you're actually changing your neurochemistry, regulating your nervous system, and processing experiences at a cellular level.